in the public eye and squirting lemons who sit it. By now you just wish I'd fucking die, but I electrify, get electrocuted, executed by execution of my flow too quick for the human eye that it's exhuming by. Guess who? What's happening, guys? You told me the shit, I fell off that pot, hop right back on that crapper and I said fuck it, put a capital I. Look who's back to attacking and eyes. You don't like it, you can eat shit, fuck off for the faggot and die. You right back like a magnet on my dick grabbing in my shit, better get to the back of the line. You wanna get your shot at me? What kind of crap is that? Battle? What kind of rapper would I? Before I let another rapper think he's hot, I'll bury my face in his stinky twat and go hell. Girl, my headspace is limited, ain't even room in the back of my mind. So I ain't thinking about you, I don't got time, and I told you 1,000 times. So how can I find the time to put an alcohol on a battery and Royce's back in at the same time with juice in mind? God damn, this slaughterhouse is dying! Slaughterhouse!
I'm a menace, villain, my pen is sitting, spilling, my lyrics killing. Then I let you witness shit when it hit the ceiling. A nigga's willing to give the listeners the sickest feeling, like mixing some Benadryl and penicillin. Then I'm feeling a clip with a written. Can you picture my pistol drilling 1,000,000 women and children when I'm illin'? But it isn't real, it's a rap. On the real, it's a rap. How could you possibly stop the apocalypse when I'm atomic bombing the populace? Shot the metropolis, hostile as a kid popping a Glock at his mom's and his pops. Then he hops in his drop with his iPod rocking his smarterest documentation of lyrics. I write with confidence, write like a columnist / novelist. I'm in this game to demolish it, establish my dominance over prominent rappers. You popping shit to your opposite. I can spit ominous, so spit politics. Now I'm Haile Selassie, Gandhi, and pocket this hip hop genre. Bitch.
Slaughterhouse!
Lyrically, I'm a cocaine Altoid. Ability to brain, it's a no-brain bout boy. Physically, I'm literally a cocaine cowboy. Wait, did I just go almost 4 bars without talking about my big dick? The other day, me and your thick bitch had a great date and we ate cake and then we walked and then she tried to jack me off, but she lost cause she couldn't handle my shit. Wait, I swear the irony of Ryan is I am bipolar while I'm rhyming standing beside a big old white bear. Neither one of us fight fair. You were literally looking at Woody and Wesley in a movie where the white boy ain't got to jump nowhere cause I'm here. Nigga, I'm on fire, yeah, and I'm every bitch's dream. 1, 2, I'm coming for you, I'm a big old nightmare. Nigga, this is slaughter, step it up. I'll pretty much slap your ass and tell you to shut the fuck up. After that, I slap your ass again and tell you to shut the fuck up, shutting up. And that's how you body a fucking beat.
Slaughterhouse!
I should be the one that goes. Nah, get a stopwatch, clock my flow. Hit the button on top, watch it drop. That, oh. When I drop, I go out at space. Black out like Darth Vader's face. Place in the molten shower. Say something and get the rubber. Mama, papa, pouring out vodka. Mama, Mia, and pass me the Caesars. It's visitors in the slaughterhouse. Better jet boy, go home. Better jet boy, G4 Chrome. Better jet boy, Mark Sanchez, Antonio Holmes. I'm not your any of your homeboys. Sitting in the lab, picking up a pad. I be spitting bad. I'ma get you mad with this if I have low duck suffering. Sick attached when the trigger blast. I'ma put your beak on your fit head. Put it like a ass. Sip a yak, bad bitch, and a vicious track. I'm under the that. Slide Pro Tools, the boom, stroke smooth. I coast to the west like Wick. Trigger living at New York is a piggyback ride to the motherland. Hold on, brother man. On the other hand, get down. I'm gonna fan gun butt you with the eagle handle. Cunningham. I don't wanna talk. I just wanna beef. I don't wanna peace. I want it all, baby boy. I don't wanna eat. I wanna feast. Stuff my cheeks with rough piece of shit. You done weak. I'm the one compete.
Insane what they call us. How you married to the game, but you probably shouldn't have came to the altar. Every ball like propane for the sword off. You try to hang in and fortune. Imminent Mr. Porter, slaughter my sentiments, imminent torture. All of your feminine marauders that swim in that water, men will assault you. Tommy's a bastard, a symbol of sorta. Kidnap your trembling daughter, at least a quarter. I'm a innocent supporters, got an aura more like Sodom and Gomorrah. Normally something's wrong with me, blaming the quantity of the porn I see on the porns to me. When I fix the game, they'll think shit came with a warranty. How the fuck they gonna stop what I was born to be? Cornering me, shit belong to me. Two choices, you can get along with me or sit your faggot ass right there in dormancy. Wait, all he missing is heels to be RuPaul. Ain't nobody that's real ever knew y'all second to none of them dealing with bones. Who's time I never come now, deal with the blue balls. You ain't gotta fear me, but you respect me. Niggas who never met me, threaten me, wanna Gillette me. Coming to sword fight, get some machete, swinging spaghetti like it's heavy. Some said he deserve an SB in a Chevy like Andretti. Put the Desi with Chevy.